Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about public speaking. When people who enroll in public speaking courses are asked what they hope to achieve at the end of the program, the vast majority surprisingly give the same response. This is what they say. When I'm called upon to stand up and speak, I become frightened, and as a result, I cannot think clearly, cannot concentrate, and can't remember what I had planned to say. So I want to gain confidence, the ability to think on my feet and articulate issues. The question is, for you, do you feel the same? You don't need to worry, because we are here to help you get out of your comfort zone and become a great public speaker. Please find our details below. Thank you.